On the family-owned tour, we're right outside of Chicago, where we find a first-generation place that's only 800 square feet. Hey, but don't let the size fool you, because for the last 25 years, they've been jamming out tons of off-the-hook Chicago favorites.
I'm grilling them up. You want more peppers?
This is the best burger in Chicago.
Cheddar burger, well done but juicy.
That's what it's all about, right?
We've been coming here almost 20 years. It's good.
Today about 3 fries and 1 onion.
It looks like a war zone back here.
It's quality food.
Taste-o-vision.
Cheddar Polish was great.
Cheddar Polish.
The Italian beef is great. The cheddar burger is still.
I mean, this is the menu.
I need 1 onion ring.
But knowing the menu by heart just isn't that unusual at Paradise Pub.
You ever eat twice a day?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Cheddar burger, cheese fry.
Where fast food is home cooking.
When they leave here, I want people to feel like they've been to someone's backyard barbecue.
I got burgers waiting.
A backyard barbecue run by George and Tony Manos, who started the joint 24 years ago after jumping into the food biz as teens.
My dad was driving by one day. He saw a small sign for sale sign. He came home. He said, I got a great spot for you guys.
And 24 years later, they still don't want anyone else working the grill.
We have to be here. Yeah,
That's
the
the deal.
brothers have to be here.
Till now.
We're not hearing any complaints about that hot dog. I'm cooking it.
And what they're doing here in an 800 square foot joint
Thank you.
is traditional Chicago fast food, the way it ought to be.
1 medium raspberry iced tea, 1 medium Coke.
From Polish sausage to totally loaded Chicago dogs, homemade Italian beef, and check out their burgers.
It makes a big mess, so you got to have about 20 napkins ready to go when you're eating it. Experienced man can hold about 1 handle.
Cheddar burger.
Right.
It's like the Mac Daddy of all burgers.
Oh, yeah. It's just a great piece of meat. 3rd pound patty. Fresh, never frozen.
Look how hot that is. That's char-grilled right there, baby. So that'll give a nice little crust on it. What temperature do you think that top is right now?
About 750.
Okay, so it's over.
There we go.
Look at that. What I like is that it's just got a nice sear on the outside.
An egg twist bun.
Are we grilling the buns?
Absolutely.
Yes, we
I'm putting the soft cheddar on the top of the bun.
Soft cheddar.
Right. The Wisconsin Mertz cheddar. Right on top. Marry it together. There we go.
Pickles, lettuce, tomato, and some of these molten hot onions. Now, do you give a bib?
Nah, no bibs, man.
Oh. That is juicy. Oh. You guys have a shower?
We'll hose you down in the back.
It's a really strong cheddar, and it's really strong beef, and the onions just on top of that.
I taste a nice, great char taste. Cheese is great.
We've been standing here a while, yes, waiting for a char burger.
Is this like this just because it's Saturday?
No.
This is every day?
A nice sunny day. Yeah.
Oh, this is bananas. And in this case, bananas is good.